What we had seen is that sometimes when we transplanted the liver cell that would go into the liver, and we did not transplant well the cells, they would survive outside the liver. We realized that the cells, the liver cells, went into the lymph node, and they survive there, and they start to grow mini livers. And not only they grew mini livers, they actually restore liver function. Starting in a lab, discovering something in the lab, to be able to see this discovery translated into a potential therapeutic approach and move this idea into a company clinical trial, and now transplantation into a patient. Patients that have no solution with liver disease will have a solution now. Something that eventually will help you to survive another 20 years or 30 years. So that's very important, no?